back, this is the Catalyst channel, and today we present Futurama Truthdrop, Aspartame, the truth in plain sight. So, we're going to start off with a few clips here from a Futurama episode.
You'll have to wait till you're partying with Slurm's Mackenzie. When will that be? Soon enough. That's not soon enough.
Hey, what's behind that door?
Nothing.
Is it the secret ingredient?
Grunka-lunka dunkety ingredient. You should not ask about the secret ingredient.
Okay, we get the point.
I was just curious because of the armed guards.
Grunka-lunka dunkety darn guards.
Shut the hell up!
Okay, so straight away, we're wondering, what's this ingredient? What is this secret ingredient that's in this drink? Okay. Okay, and the next is this one. What is the secret ingredient?
Oh yeah. I'm never going 12 minutes without a Slurm again.
It's the end of the line. This must be where they put in the secret ingredient.
Whatever it is, it's even better fresh. Still warm.
Lordy!
Fry? Fry?
That's the secret ingredient of Slurm?
That's the only ingredient of Slurm.
Ew.
So from that we can see what it was. It was a monstrosity of a thing pooping a can. Okay, so how does that link to a truth in plain sight? Well, let's have a look at this. Everything you need to know about aspartame. Not that actually this page really tells you what aspartame is, but it tells you it's a low calorie sweetener. It's been used for decades. Okay. If we go further down the page, I mean, I welcome anyone to go through this and read it all. I've read most of it. So we'll just go through little bits. Look here, aspartame can be used as an ingredient in beverages, diet sodas, low or light sugar juices and flavoured waters, dairy products, light yogurt, low-fat flavoured milk, nutrition bars, desserts, sugar-free puddings, gelatins, light ice cream and popsicles, chewing gum, sauces, syrups, condiments. It's also found in several types of low-calorie tabletop sweeteners. Okay. Is it safe to consume? This is written in 2020. This has been in food here. It says since 1981 it was approved by the US Food and Drug Administration. And yes, it's safe to consume apparently. Aspartame is one of the most exhaustively studied ingredients in the human food supply, with more than 200 studies supporting its safety. Okay, that's the gist of it, is that it is an artificial sweetener that's in lots of products, and it's deemed completely and utterly safe by the FDA. Right. Can children consume aspartame? Yes. We'll just look at the quick answer there. Yeah. Can pregnant and breastfeeding women consume it? Yes. Can people with diabetes consume aspartame? Oh yeah. Blah blah blah. They go on and basically tell you all the good things about this lovely thing, aspartame. There's such food insight, these people, with nutrition. Right. Okay. What about this then? Aspartame patent reveals E. coli feces used. Small heading here. The European patent for aspartame is now available online, and it confirms the artificial sweetener is made from the waste product of genetically modified E. coli bacteria. So, what have we just seen in that episode of Futurama? In the Slurm factory for the drinks. That's right. It appeared to be a genetically modified bacteria producing waste and pooping it straight into the can. So that's actually what they're showing you, is the definition of the use of aspartame in our drinks, okay? And not just drinks, and it's in over 6,000 products worldwide. Though this fact was reported as early as 1999, not much attention was paid at the time to aspartame and its maker, or, we like this one, Monsanto. Don't we just love Monsanto? The evil satanic sorcerers that they are, which was allegedly adding GM aspartame to soft drinks in Britain. Yeah, and everywhere else. The patent refers to cloned microorganisms later revealed to be genetically modified E. coli bacteria. They are modified to produce an especially large peptide used to create aspartame. The cultivated and well-fed bacteria then produce proteins which contain the aspartic acid phenylalanine amino acid segment required to produce the sweetener. Okay, we could go on. Controversy has steadily grown around genetically modified foods and GM giant Monsanto. Coke recently ran an ad campaign defending the use of aspartame, saying studies support the product's safety. Okay. We'll move forward to, let's see, 6 days ago, exclusive from Reuters, who lie out their ass too, by the way. Whose they lie out their ass. We've just been through, what, 3.5, 4 years of utter BS because of these people, and now they want to run above your governments, so that they can just dictate to you everything. If you haven't already noticed over the last 3.5 years, then keep going, you know, just say whatever, because in all honesty, the WHO, the World Health Organization, are the complete opposite of what they say, okay? It's really flipping obvious now. Look, WHO's Cancer Research Agency to say aspartame sweetener a possible carcinogen, and this is just a few days ago. Okay, I'm not going to read through it, but you know, the headline enough to tell you what these people are up to. They've known this for years. You know. Okay, what does it say here? Okay, there's modified E. coli. These findings indicate that saccharin, sucralose and aspartame are all promote pathogenic changes in 2 model gut bacteria, E. coli and E. facilis, which could worsen the effect of consuming artificial sweetener in the diet on gut health. Bacterial growth is one of the most well-studied characteristics of metabolism. Does aspartame change gut bacteria? This study is the first to show that some of the sweeteners most commonly found in food and drink, saccharin, sucralose, aspartame, can make normal and healthy gut bacteria become pathogenic. Okay. So yeah, it's absolutely fine for pregnant women and children. It's fine to be in 6,000 products. It's fine that this utter scumbag, Donald Rumsfeld, got it through. It's absolutely fine. And these are the people that are telling you things are alright, and they're trying to kill you slowly. What's going on there, eh? Yeah? Don't notice any fake pandemics going around, and trust me, there'll probably be more to come, and more lockdowns, and absolute BS, and we all flipping well know it. Donald Rumsfeld and the Strange History of Aspartame. This is a very good page for people to read about how all this stuff has been passed by a complete and utter scumbag through all the boards and everything, and how actually he became, what was it? He got a Freedom Award, or the freedom to use highly motivated people and lots of money to defraud the public, basically. You know, this stuff's in everything. This stuff is in everything. Here you go, look. With more than 6,000 products manufactured with aspartame. So the WHO, who have been telling you it's okay for years, only 6 days ago in 2023 on July the 13th have now told you it's possibly carcinogenic, it's possibly pathogenic. you know, again, we're in a world full of bullshit right here and now. It's up to you what you take into yourself, obviously. It's down to all of us to be our own judges of this. But I absolutely urge everyone to do their own research on everything. Over and out.